Alright, coming up to the dam here. Already, there's 2 cars sitting here. Usually people park here to go jogging anyway. Let's go have a look. Oh, look at this. Here it is, right here. Dude, I got your bag.